Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The general emergency alarm signal is the most important sound you will ever hear while at sea, because it is the universal call to action for every person on board a vessel, regardless of their rank or role. When you are out on the vast open ocean miles away from the nearest coastline, the ship is your only sanctuary, and any threat to its integrity must be met with immediate and coordinated movement. This specific alarm is the first line of defense in a maritime crisis. Unlike the signal to actually leave the ship, which comes later if things worsen, the general emergency alarm is designed to bring everyone to a state of high readiness. The International Maritime Organization has standardized this signal across the globe so that it is recognizable no matter what flag the ship is flying or what language the crew speaks. The signal consists of 7 or more short blasts followed by one long blast on the ship whistle and the internal bells or klaxons. It is a piercing rhythmic sound designed to cut through the noise of heavy machinery, the howling of the wind, or the deep sleep of a crew member off watch. Hearing this sequence is not a reason to panic, but it is a reason to move with purpose. It serves as an internal mobilization order. The moment those short, sharp bursts begin, you must stop whatever you are doing immediately. If you are eating, you leave the mess. If you are sleeping, you jump out of your bunk. Your primary objective is to reach your designated muster station as quickly and safely as possible. Along the way, you must collect your life jacket and any warm clothing or personal protective equipment required by the ship safety plan. The general emergency alarm might be triggered for various reasons, such as a fire in the engine room, a collision, a grounding, or a major mechanical failure that threatens the ship's stability. It is the master of the vessel who authorizes this alarm to ensure that everyone is accounted for and ready to assist in emergency duties or prepare for evacuation if the situation escalates. At the muster station, officers will conduct a roll call to ensure no one is trapped in their cabin or injured in a remote part of the ship. This is where the discipline of the sea truly shines. In the silence between the alarm blasts, you will find a crew focused on their specific tasks, whether that is firefighting, damage control, or preparing the lifeboats. Knowing the difference between a minor localized alarm and this general emergency signal can save your life. It is the heartbeat of maritime safety and the ultimate wake-up call for survival. By understanding that 7 short blasts and 1 long blast mean danger, you become part of the ship collective safety culture. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.